World Championship analysis, Shelly-Ann's farewell and Seville's rise. Jamaica at World Champs 2025. Jamaica closed the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo with a strong showing, capturing a total of 10 medals, with just 1 gold medal, 6 silver, and 3 bronze. The highlight came from Oblique Seville, who stormed to victory in the men's 100 meters in 9.77 seconds, giving Jamaica its first men's 100-meter world title since the legendary Usain Bolt. His triumph alongside Kishane Thompson's silver signaled a powerful resurgence in Jamaica's male sprinting dominance on the global stage. On the women's side, Tina Clayton clocked a personal best of 10.76 seconds to claim silver in the 100 meters, while Shericka Jackson added a bronze in the 100 meters, continuing Jamaica's long tradition of sprinting excellence. The island's athletes also made their mark in other events. Orlando Bennett earned silver in the men's 110-meter hurdles, Brian Level secured bronze in the 200-meter, and Tajay Gale extended Jamaica's presence beyond the track with a medal in the long jump. The relay teams kept Jamaica's flag high as the women's 4x100 meters relay squad, anchored by the great Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, secured silver. This was especially historic as it marked Fraser-Pryce's farewell to global championships, ending her illustrious career with a remarkable 17 medals, 10 golds, 6 silvers, and 1 bronze, cementing her status as one of the greatest sprinters of all time. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce bow out with 17 medals in her back pocket. Overall, Jamaica's performance in Tokyo was a blend of celebration and reflection. A proud send-off for a sprinting icon, the rise of fresh talent like Seville and Clayton, and a reminder that Jamaica remains a powerhouse in athletics. The challenge ahead will be turning these near misses into gold, but for now the nation can be proud of once again punching above its weight on the world stage. But the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo has left many asking tough questions. With just 1 gold medal, 6 silver, and 3 bronze, the island's once dominant track and field program seems to be in a period of transition. Oblique Seville's stunning 100-meter victory brought back memories of Usain Bolt's glory days, while Tina Clayton, Kishane Thompson, and Shericka Jackson kept Jamaica on the podium. At the same time, sprint queen Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce closed her legendary career with grace, ending on 17 world championship medals. Is Jamaica losing its dominance, or is this simply the start of a new chapter? Watch our full analysis and join the discussion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more analysis on Jamaica's politics, sports,